Hey, I'm back with another video. It's me, Germany. Today's gonna be the day that I'm doing my nails since forever. It's first time in forever. I haven't done my nails in like, I'll say 3 weeks now, and partially had something to do with me being a little bit on my like emotional side, and then a little bit on my like being a mom, like just getting like all caught up and stuff. But I'm ready. Basics are done. I use this Sally Hansen instant cuticle remover. This is what it looks like. So easy to take your cuticles like off. It literally dissolve and turn into like gunk, and you just scrape it off. And I use a little cuticle remover tool like this. Yep, kind of like a spear. I clip my nails, file them down. Excuse my beat up nail file. You might be wondering, what am I doing to my nails? So usually I do a gel, but today we are doing the glazed donut easy edition. Basically a dummy can do it. Let's get everything we're gonna need. Need like a powder to go on it, and these are the powders that I got them from Amazon. The way I see the DIY glazed donut nails be done are using the Gel X method, and I don't want to. I just feel like it's really hard for me sometimes because I just haven't got it down packed. It's time consuming. What we're gonna do is get straight to the point and use these acrylic nude Kiss nail by Kiss press-on nails. So I'm a pro at press-on nails. Like, I know how to put some press-on nails on. Nail prep dehydrator, which is really good with drying the oil and debris off your nail bed, so the glue lasts longer, which is this. Find the size that fit on your nail, and do you like it? Don't you like it? Stuff like that. So. Now that I took out my nails, in order so the process a little bit easier and quicker, start prepping the nails to go onto your nail. So I have this nail electric nail filer to basically buff down my nail, or you can just use a regular nail filer that they give you here. And I guess this is where they also put their like security sticker, because as you can see, if you try to steal it, you can't. So you can use this or something like this to buff the top of your nail. And I don't really go as fast. I just slightly buff like this. Let me see. Now I'm gonna go in with this nail pre-dehydrator. It's kind of like using alcohol, an alcohol pad, but this works a little bit easier. So this is what it looks like. It's just like alcohol. It does the same thing, but it helps with dehydrating, sucking up all that oil. Now time for the glue. So we're gonna start with the thumb, and so we're gonna place a dot of glue on top. So a dot of glue on top, and then we're gonna put a dot of glue on my nail. Now we're going to press down so there's no bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and just take off the tip. And sometimes you can use a nail file and it just goes away. See? But so I am an almond type shape girl, so I'm just going to cut the sides off and basically file it down. And I bought this from Amazon, and it's the coat It's the nail color to get the whole glazed donut look. And I have my little UV. When you're using a UV light, you kind of want to protect your hand. And this is what I'm using, Black Girl sunscreen. And I already applied it for the morning, but just for protection, because, you know, you can't have too much. You're never gonna have too much protection. So I'm nervous. Oh my God, can't you tell? They went over it like this. Basically just painted it like so. I'm trying to paint very neatly. Like so. I'm going to sit it in here for 60 minutes. So it is cured. You do see a little bubble here, if you can't see it. Oh my gosh. And now we're gonna go in with a top coat and paint over it. So before you put the powder on there, you wanna paint over with a top coat. Now we're going to apply the powder on top of the nails after the top coat has cured. Before doing so, please wipe down with alcohol. I forgot to show this step because my phone did die. This is how they came out, and my phone died, so my camera died, so yeah, they came out like this. And I'm going to do my other hand, and I'm not going to show that on camera because it's all repetitive, and I'll be back with my other hand done. Both of my hands are done, and I want to say this hand came out better than this one because it is always like that when you're doing it for the first time. The first hand the first thing you try always come out better than this one. But I do love how it looks. It looks good. Is it the Gel X? No, but it's close. And it's affordable as well. You can get these nails from Walmart for like $7 or $8, I believe. And I like the short one because it's more functional for me. But if you like something a little bit longer or, you know, stylisher, you can. They're there. And just make sure you get the acrylic nude because it'll be really easy to add that glazed donut look on your nails. So my biggest important thing for you, I got two tips. Tip one, make sure you add cuticle oil to those cuticles, probably like 2 times every 2 days. Carry some nail glue with you in your purse because these are press-on nails. They're not nails that will last you. You know, anything can happen. I'm just saying, and I want to be real because I feel like, you know, we try to pretend that it's the same, but it's close, but not. So those are 2 tips that I would like for you to carry on with you through your journey of press-on nails. Add cuticle oil, moisturize those cuticles, take care of those cuticles because your girl was, I'm ashamed, but I was ducking and weaving, taking care of my hands. And everything that I use in today's video would definitely be linked in the description down below. Most of these items are from like Amazon, I'm gonna be honest with you, except for the Black Girl sunscreen. Target, everything else, yes. And then Walmart for the nails. I'm pretty sure you can find those at Target as well too. And these are from Amazon. So everything here is affordable. You know, I didn't go out this time and break myself. Even though I wanted to get the exact brand, but hey, it is what it is. And this is what I'm here for. I'm here to show you different ways to look still bougie on that budget because sometimes we don't have it sitting here. and these are so cute. Thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate the support. If you have any ideas, anything you want me to show you that's on a budget and is a little pricey and try to like dumb it down, I'm that girl for you, because I always find a way. That's who I am. I always find a way to find things and make it affordable, or try to. Sometimes you just gotta splurge, baby. I see you next time. Bye.